If you have been looking forward to learning AI skills, some AI skills, and get certification for free, then here's the good news. I've got good news for you guys. I'm going to be recommending some 3 free websites where you can start learning about AI. This is an in-demand skill that you can use to empower yourself, and consider that it's very free to get started with. And you can check out the first website, ai.google ai.google/education. So I have 2 more websites. So let's walk you through on how. Let's see what courses they have. You see, learn essential AI skills. This number 1 website where you can learn AI skills for free and also get certification. When I mean certification, it means they give you certificates after you are done completing the courses. So you might want to take this serious, and don't forget guys, like and share this video, and so everyone can get to know about this opportunity. People can start empowering themselves, and most importantly, to encourage me to make more of standard and mouth touching and videos like this. So you have to encourage me to keep doing more research and see how we can help each other grow. So as soon as you are seeing this video, click on the like button, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell. Also join my Telegram community for daily updates. Share this video so that I can be encouraged to bring more opportunities, awesome opportunities like this for you guys. So now this is ai.google/education, and you can see learn essential AI skills. We are building AI skills program trainings and tools to address specific needs of workers anywhere. Discover Google courses and resources designed to help you succeed in an AI-driven world. So here is it. Advance your skill. You see, learn the basics, advance your skill, transform your business, explore on YouTube. They really have a whole lot. Even me, I need to get started with this. So introduction to generative AI. You see, no charge, beginner, then you get the badge. Google AI Extension, AI Power Hubs Workplace, no charge. Then all these ones are still beginner because I click on learn the basics. So this one, introduction to large language models, introduction to AI image generation. In this course, learn about diffusion models that underpin state-of-the-art image generation models on Google Cloud, including how to train and deploy them on Vertex AI. Gemini and software development lifecycle. This one is intermediate, and you see no charge. So as far as this is even coming from Google, then in fact I'm more than that's why I have to put this in number 1. I'm trying to walk you through so that you can know that we all need this skill, not only you guys, even me myself, I need to get started with. So this is it. Introduction to artificial intelligence. So 1, introduction to responsible AI, a developer's guide LLMs. So let me click on this. Okay, I think we're already on the advanced part. Okay, these are intermediate. Oh, oops, what is it? So this one you are seeing is intermediate. That's advanced. Okay, this one too is intermediate. Virtual AI courses led by product experts. Upskill employment. This one is virtual. So the best thing, the amazing thing is these things are free to learn here. So let's check this, transform your business. Okay, it's still this one. Let's say explore on YouTube. Explore AI resources on YouTube. Discover a curated collection of tutorials, explainers, and demos to deepen your understanding and build practical skills. So these ones are YouTube videos, but this one I think is inside this Google platform. So let's see the number 2. This one is Anthropic courses. Anthropic.skilljar.com. Anthropic.skilljar.com. I'll be dropping the links in the description box of this video So you have to sign up. You see, Anthropic academic courses. Let's see. You're already seeing Cloud 101. Learn how to use cloud for everyday work tasks. Understand core features and explore resources for more advanced learning on other topics. You see Cloud Code 101. Learn how to use cloud code. Introduction to cloud co-work. These are in-demand skills. Like you can't be wrong learning all these things. AI fluency, work framework and foundations, building with cloud API, introduction to model. So what we have on Google is different from what we have here. I think this one is looking more advanced, if you ask me. Model context, protocol, advanced topics, cloud, Google Cloud. But you can see we have a whole lot. What information does Cloud Jar collect? Do I need an Anthropic account? Okay, but you have to sign in, or maybe you sign up first, something. So this Anthropic .skill jar is looking more advanced than the ai.google/education. This one has a whole lot. I don't know. I think it has a whole lot. I just click on the Cloud 101. So learn how to use cloud. Register, you see free. You see the curriculum. Your first conversation with getting better results. Cloud desktop, organizing your work and knowledge. Introduction to projects, creating with artifacts, working with skills, expanding cloud reach, connecting your tools, enterprises. They have a whole lot. This one is looking more organized. I think I was wrong. I don't know. But not entirely wrong, because Google courses also. So you can check this out and see which one will benefit you more, depending on what you are looking for actually. So this is another one, codecademy.com/catalog. codecademy.com/catalog. So you see, browse the catalog. Learn Python 3. Beginner friendly with certificates. Look at it. Free course. Learn HTML. Start at the beginning by learning HTML basics, an important foundation for building and editing web pages. Free course, beginner friendly. This one to learn JavaScript, also free course. Learn SQL. I was learning this SQL and this MySQL and what's the advanced one? It was the time I was learning it last year. Like I wasn't understanding. It was a paid course. So I paid for it. I paid for the course. I learned. I was doing this. Was it cyber security or something? So learn how to code. Free course to learn CSS. Intro to SQL. Learn Python 2. Learn LUA. Look at free courses. Learn CH. Introduction to game development. Introduction to cyber security. Free course. Is okay? Look at free courses. Free courses. Oh my God. This is worth a whole lot. For real. Let's see what these ones, they have paid with it. So let's see what they are paid. Okay, Python 3. Learn the command line. Learn prompt engineering. How much are they collecting for this paid one? Let's see. So they have both free and paid. So this course includes AI assistance for guided coding help, project to apply new skills, quiz to test your knowledge, a certificate of completion. About this course, the command line is a quick and powerful text. Time to go over. Project 4, prerequisites none. You don't even need a basic. You don't need a prior knowledge before you can learn all of these things. So look at their syllabus: navigating to file system, viewing and changing the file name. And let me tell you something, all these courses, you can use them to start applying for online jobs, remote jobs. So you're not just learning their website that they need this thing. Just look for the one that you think you already have the like the demand to work with, or to work for, whichever. So we have, I know, website jobs that you can, this having knowledge about all this tech thing is an added advantage, because they're going to pay you for it. That's the truth. There are remote websites that pays for having a skill. My previous video where I mentioned 5 websites for free for doing tasks, some of those websites has some of these technical tasks too, and they pay higher compared to the basic or the social or annotation task. So those websites I mentioned in my previous video of 5 websites that pays for free, some of those websites, or virtually every one of them, has the version of having technical background like this that will help you to earn more. So it's an added advantage if you have a skill to add to your job search and to earn more. That's the truth. So you might like to check out those websites as you are learning. Sign up on all those other 5 websites. See where these skills are needed, so that you can start, something can motivate you to, like, okay, I can use this skill to work for these people to do like this and get money. So check out those websites, 5 websites that pays you for doing tasks. You can also check out this other video, creating Gmail accounts and getting paid for it. And also, if you have not completed your KYC on MEC, do well to go complete it. Me ID verification, those are other things to earn free money. If you're also looking for investment to earn money, go you can start trading on OKT every day. OKT trading, deposits as minimum as you can afford. Start using their signal to trade and you earn money. So we have a lot of opportunities on this platform, on this channel, to help you make money if you are positioned. I've shared a lot of values, like, and we are still sharing. So make sure you are subscribed, like, share this video, so we can reach out to more people and be motivated to keep bringing values to your views. If you are yet to join my Telegram community, check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video for my daily updates. So I hope you guys see value in this one too, and stay tuned for my subsequent updates. And if you are willing to learn about stock investments, you want to start investing in stocks, you want to start learning how to buy profitable stocks, I've been sharing that too. There's a paid training that is not free. That's a personal mentorship I'm doing that is paid. So I will drop the link in the description box of this video. You can secure your spots by making payments and stay tuned for the class. This will help you to navigate and start building wealth over time by investing in the stock market. So there are a lot of values on this channel. Just do well to be part of it, part of the family. Like and share. See you guys on the next one. Check out all these websites. I'll be dropping their links in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.